Okay, welcome back to Callum's Knowledge. In this video we're working through task 3, and this is all about control structures, specifically if, elif and else statements. This will evaluate a company's financial performance. Now, control structures like this are vital in programming because they allow us to build decision-making logic, which is especially useful in accounting and financial analysis. Now, we're going to reuse some of the variables from the previous tasks, including the company's name, which was Michael's Finance Limited, the accounting period, and the two key financial figures, which were revenue and expenses. Now, here, company name and accounting period are stored as strings, while revenue and expenses are floats, because they represent monetary values with decimals. And once we've done this, we will then calculate the gross profit. Now that we've done that, we're going to calculate the gross profit. And this is done by subtracting expenses from the revenue. And this gives us the amount the company's made before tax and other deductions. In this example, the result should be £300,000, which is the difference between the 1.5 million and 1.2 million, which is the company's pre-tax earnings. Now, here comes the key part of the task, right? We're going to use the if, elif and else structure to assess the company's financial performance. We want to categorise the results as one of the three possible outcomes, which would be if the gross profit is greater than 0, it will be a profit. And we'll see in a wee second how this is done. Right, this gross profit greater than 0. You're going to write performance equals profit. And this is a string if profit is positive. And this will be similar to the next part, which will be if the gross profit is exactly 0, which is considered a break even. You're going to write 2 equals sign and then a 0. Now, if none of these are the case, if the gross profit is less than 0, the company has made a loss. So what you're going to do, you're going to write else. We'll get to that in a wee second. So now we're on the else statement. You're going to write else, gross profit, else, performance will equal a loss if none of these are the case, which is also a string. Now, this conditional logic allows Python to decide which message to store in the performance variable depending on the result of the gross profit calculation. Now, finally, we will use a print statement, known as an F string, to produce a readable and professional summary of the outcome. So in this case, the output would be Michael's Finance Limited recorded a profit for the financial year 2022 to 2023, which we wrote earlier. Now, this kind of dynamic reporting is very useful in accounting, whether it's for generating summary reports, building financial dashboards, or automating decision-based emails or alerts. Now, what we've done is we've used the previously defined variables, including the strings and floats, calculated the gross profit using basic arithmetic, and we have used the if, elif, else structure. We've also formatted the strings to print a clear business message. As you see what I'm doing here, we're testing it out. Now, as you see, they're both the same. It breaks even. But if we put it lower, of course, it's recorded a profit, which is perfect. It's exactly what we wanted to happen. Now, this task demonstrates how Python can make decisions based on financial data and generate outputs that are useful in real business contexts. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in task 4.